Everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing good. Today we are taking the chapter 2 of class 9th polynomials and we are going to do the exercise 2.2 question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So first part is x equal to 0. So we have to put the value of x equals to 0 in this. So let us do it. So we will write 5 in place of x. Now we are putting the value equals to 0. So we will write 0 here. Then minus 4 again 0 square plus 3. Now 5 multiplied 0 will become 0 and here 4 when we will do the square of this it will be 0 again plus 3. So 0 minus 4 into 0, whenever we are multiplying 0 with any digit, so it becomes 0. So we will write 0 plus 3. So our answer will be equal to plus 3, that is this. So let us now move to the second part. Now we will put the x is equal to minus 1 in this. So 5 in place of x we will write minus 1 minus 4. Now minus 1 square plus 3. So 5 is when multiplied with minus 1 it will become minus 5 4 and the square of minus 1 will be 1 plus 3. Now minus 5 minus 4 into 1 4 plus 3. So minus minus plus, but the sign will be after big digit, that is minus. So minus minus plus 5 4 9, sign will be minus 9 plus 3. So plus minus minus, again the sign will be minus, and what we will do, plus minus minus 9 minus 3 will be equal to minus 6. So this will be the answer. So let us take now the third part where x is equal to 2. Now we will put the value for x equals to 2. So just do it. 2 minus 4. Now square of 2 plus 3. Now 5 to the 10 minus 4. 2 to the 4. 3. 10 minus 4 into 4. 4 for the 16 plus 3. Now 10 minus plus minus 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. So then we will do what? 10 minus 13 is equal to minus 3. So this will be the answer. I hope you have well understood. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thank you.